and let you smoke it. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the line.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be putting on a wig from Amazon. Yeah. Sorry for the glare. I need my glasses to see. I already put my braids in last night. Took forever. My mama didn't want to do them. And we're getting right into it. So yeah, like I said, I put my braids in. I'm gonna take my even spray. I love this one for my wigs because it's very tacky. And I'm gonna push back my there we go. I'm gonna push back all my little baby hairs. I really didn't want to do a cap. I really didn't. But caps do make my braids last longer. A lot longer. This is my first install video, I think, on my channel. I did have a little piece of hair over there. So I just want to make sure all this is back. And, oh. I'm just going to take this little fan. I don't know where I got this one. I think I got this from Target. And I'm just going. Now I'm going to take some alcohol and wipe my forehead down because obviously your glue can't stick to your forehead. It's sticky. I did not feel like bleaching my knots at all. And plus, I'm not at the salon where all my bleaching stuff is. So, yeah, it went under the bed. I got another one. Hold on. I just used this in the color medium dark brown. This is one of my favorites. Obviously, I'm an even girl. But yeah, I'm gonna use this. But to put my cap on, y'all, I don't like caps. I like caps, but I'm not a cap girl. And no, this is not an HD cap. This is a regular, I don't know, cap. I'm going to use this for my cap. Probably not put my wig down, but definitely for my cap. Sorry, you know, I'm going to come back because I'm be all in your face. I just want to say this is very, very difficult for me because everything is literally a blur. Do you hear me? A big blur. Okay, so I'm back. Y'all, I forgot to put the slits in my ear. And I was trying to figure out why the ears wasn't staying down. You know I ain't put a wig on in a long time. But anyway, y'all know who started this? Glamorous, I say. Big sis started this. But yeah, I put my glass back on. So I decided to put a little even spray on top. Because it was taking so long to dry. And I don't think it's dry all the way. But this is what we're working with. I'm kind of in a rush. I don't know why. I just want my hair done. So, gonna do this. And then I'm gonna cut the cap. And I'm gonna come back. So this is my ball cap. It's not ball cap like it's supposed to. But honestly, I don't care. As long as my hair is protected. And I honestly don't like doing all this. I just like to put a little cap on. Call it a day. I'm going to spray some of this tint spray on there. And I'll be back. Okay, I sprayed the spray. But it's not bald like I want it to be bald. But it's bald enough for me. Because I didn't have another transparent, whatever that thing called cap. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go on and put the wig on. The wig is from Amazon. This girl right here loves her good Amazon wig. And it's a 12 inch. You know, I'm just going to put all the specs over here because I don't know. I ain't about to sit here and lie to y'all. I just know it's 12 inches. But give 10. But I just need to hit right there. So, putting the wig on. That comb in the back be eating the edges up. Okay, I try to plug. But I don't know if I did it right because I'm used to plucking while my nuts is bleached. But I feel like I'm going to have to, yeah, pluck some more. And bleach these knots, but I just don't feel like it right now. So, yeah, this is the wig. I'm going to go in with my... I need some glasses on. Y'all, I'm going in with my Plus Bond. Only glue that I use, only glue that I like. I've had this same bottle of glue for years. Girl, years. So I'm gonna go in and yeah, I'm hold on. I think what I'm gonna do is the dots and then just put it down. So I like to do dot, 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 dot. Hold on, my glue not coming out. And I don't want it to bust on me. Alright, got my glue working. Now we cook it with oil. Okay. Like, you can't say. You know, I only really learn how to do with some EK. I'm gonna give it a buck. Yeah. And if y'all got any tips, leave them down below. Because I really don't be knowing what I'm doing. Like, I don't be knowing what I be doing for reals. I'm gonna start wearing gloves when I put wigs on. Because the glue be getting hair stuck all over the place. Come on! Alright. She's like, don't be putting on big chunky pieces of glue in your hair. You don't need all that. I'm gonna take my popsicle stick. I'm gonna spread it. But I like to spread mine's back. I like to do like that. Like I'm spreading a sandwich. And then push it back. You know what, my dumb man? Nobody was gonna tell me that. Y'all wrong. I'm gonna do like 4 layers. Because it's Tuesday. I need my wig to last until Saturday. Because I got things to do. People to see. So I'm going to do 4 layers. So when I do all 4 layers, I'm going to come back. Alright, so my glue is clear. And I need my glasses. So it's just going to have to sit like this. Okay. Now, I ain't never put no wig on like this. I usually do 3 slits. But I be seeing E can't do it, so I feel like I can do it. If E can do it, I can do it. But yeah, I'm gonna pull it down. Okay, I need to take my glasses off. Is my hair too big for this thing? Alright, I'm going to get my band so I can put a band on. I just realized I don't have, my hot comb is not hot combing. I will never buy another brand of any products because what the fuck. And 2, all my hot tools are at work. So I don't have a flat iron. And this is not 12 inches. This is like 10. This is not 12. 12 is like, this is not 12. No way, this is 12 inches. Give me back my money. This is not 12 inches all the way around. So I'm gonna see if what I want to do to my hair. And I'm gonna take this band out. I'm not leaving this thing on for no hour like you can't say. Are you crazy? So I didn't leave the band on too long. I'm ready to, I just couldn't. So I saw a TikToker use craft scissors, these like scissors to cut her lace. Well, I'm gonna use this to cut up the middle. Now, I really need my glasses for this. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the lace and I'll be back. Cause I'm gonna be all in your face like this and not like that. Okay, not too much on the lace, y'all. Not too much on the lace. Not too much on the lace. I'm gonna take some of my spritz, even stuff, and I spray some in the back of my hand already. And this is what the TikTok girlies say do. They say do this. So I just be listening to them. Sometimes they lead you astray. Like this shit look ashy still. But we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna keep on going. Spray some more. And we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna keep on going. Okay, so y'all, why do my wig look like this? Y'all, why do my wig look like this? I got on TikTok, and I think it's just the lace. I got on TikTok, and the girl said, spray even spray. I sprayed even spray. And it still look ashy. I'm gonna go in with this cream foundation. I don't even think this is my color, like. And look. it's too light. And this would be too light. This would be too fucking light. You know what? I'm just gonna have to go with the flow. I'm just gonna have to. Oh no, baby. I'm gonna try something else that's a little bit darker than me. Y'all, what? I'm about to cry. And this shit all in my leg. Like, what? They be lying. They some fucking liars on TikTok. He can't even a liar because why did I let my wig dry. You know what? I'm gonna come back when I calm down because I'm getting a little angry. Yeah, y'all, I just gave up. Y'all, I just gave up for real. So, can y'all please leave me some tips down below? For real. Like, and while you at it, just subscribe so y'all can, like, see my progress and how I update these wigs. But can y'all please leave me some tips down below on, like, what went wrong and all that. Alright, now I'm just gonna leave out my baby hairs. Just leave out my baby hairs. You know, what are my tweezers? I need my tweezers and now I can't find them. I can't find the tweezers. I can't find my tweezers. Okay, whatever. I'll do that later then. But I'm just gonna take these baby hairs out that I want left out. Now, I ain't gonna lie. In person, it look kind of good. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and downplay myself. Like, in person, it don't look good. But with this lighting, it looks bad. So, it might just be the lighting that's just making it look real bad. And the girls who do hair know what I'm talking about. Everything don't look good in the light. So, I'm just gonna leave these little baby hairs out. I'm probably gonna have to thin them out some more. Like, I like how this side look. So yeah, I'm gonna take my band, I got this little skinny band that I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna tie it around my edges and I'll be back. Okay, I'm about to take this off. I'm not even in the, like, going anywhere. I just want my hair done. So, okay, it's giving a little bit. Now that I damn. Look. I'm going with some alcohol. I usually use like a cotton bar or something, but I'm going with this little rag that I had sitting up here that didn't serve a purpose, and I'm gonna clean up all the product that was, you know, on my skin. Okay, it's eating a little bit, but I can't do flashes. No flash photography, please. No flash photography. Okay. It's eating a little bit. It's eating a little bit, y'all. A little bit. I do have some tint spray, but I don't feel like getting up. When I get up from here. Oh, y'all, I still got lace in back. But yeah, when I get up from this vanity, I want to be done with my hair. And that little piece of lace that be in the back, yeah, I forgot to cut that. So this is the look. I'm just gonna have to go for I don't know. Well, I'm about to cut me a little bit baby hairs, not a lot, because I'm not a fan of baby hairs like that. I always cut in the angle. I already know that now. I always cut your baby hairs in that angle. Alright. And then I'm going to do the other side and I'm going to come back and lay them. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I don't know why right in here is so white. Yeah, somebody can tell me why. Let me know. I did go on with the She Is Bomb lace tint. So I just did a little swoop and a little side part because this side over here is the best looking side. And this is what I had came up with. I'm going out Friday. No, I'm going out Saturday. So I need a really like cute hairstyle that I want to do, that I need to come up with. And I kind of want to do like a half up, half down, because my outfit's giving, I don't know what my outfit's giving. But this is what I came up with. I kind of don't like it, but I don't have a high comb. So this is what the bag look like. I don't even know. But did y'all see that? Okay. But this is not 12. This is definitely 10. But yeah, this is what I came up with. Like I said, somebody could tell me why that looks so white. Yeah. So, yeah, I just had to put the clip down because I don't like this big hump. It's giving Johnny Bravo, or whatever his name was. So, yeah. And that's why I did like this, y'all. And put my little baby hairs down. Swoop this behind my ear. Make sure it's flat. Put this clip back up there and Yep. That's it. So if y'all really enjoyed this entertaining wig install, well, I didn't know what the hell I was doing, then y'all should like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm just going to keep getting better and better. Now, I'm not saying I'll do this on clients, because that's not from, this ain't for me. This, I'm gonna stick to quick weaves and sew-ins. Wigs, no. That's out of my league. I'm still learning on myself. But yeah, if y'all want to see some more entertaining videos like I know what I'm doing, then go ahead and click the like button and subscribe. And like I said, please leave me some tips down below, because I don't really, it look better in person than to do on camera. Because like I said, let me turn the lighting down. Because like I said, the lighting be dark. See? I don't like these baby hairs. I'm going to have to fix the baby hairs. But see how much better it look. And I just want to know why this is white, like I said. But yeah, I'm tired of talking. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in my next video.